Morning everyone, Gary here. Today is Monday 24th of November and I am off to Chiang Mai on my beautiful little beast, the Dark Shadow I'm going to name it for this trip. But just packing up the bag now. It's going to take me 2 days because I want it to take 2 days, purely because I've never done a big drive before and first time on the bike going up that far. So I'm going to stop in Dak, which is about halfway up to Chiang Mai, and I'll stop off in a few locations, but there's no point me doing a video of the ride for the first 3 hours because it's just going to be like highways, trucks, boring scenery, very flat. Once I start getting out into the outer world, as I call it, and there's more scenery, more landscape to do, I'll just start shooting some drone and start shooting some of the actual ride itself. So I hope you enjoy the content. It's going to be maybe 4, 5, 6 days on the road. I'm going to make some content. It's probably going to be 2 or 3 episodes and I hope you enjoy it. So stick with me and let's have some fun. So this is the bag that I bought. It's a 40 litre Motor Wolf bag. And as per usual, I have packed too much stuff. There we go. Job done. Ready. Okay guys, 2 hours and 30 minutes. My first stop. I am by the Ta Chin River, which you can see right behind me. And what a gorgeous spot. I'm currently sitting in the best Cafe Amazon. On my journey up, there was lots of flooding, etc. But I'm just sitting here chilling out for 10 minutes, pit stop, basically toilet and caffeine. Can't go wrong. And a waffle. But yeah, loving the bike. Noticing it's quite windy. Once you get on the elevated sections, you're going over like these little flyovers. The wind kind of pushes you and buffers you around a bit. So I wasn't used to that. I'll end up getting a bit slower and maybe ducking down a little bit to avoid the wind shear. Okay, so we've got about 20 kilometers to go. It's going to take about 25 minutes, so let's get on the road. Okay. Yeah. another pit stop for a wee wee and some water. What time are we on now? We're on 3:15 and got about another 2 hours 20 minutes to get to Dak. I think it's called Dak, not Tak, as we would say in the Western world. I'm really enjoying the ride. It's hot, it's sweaty, but the roads are really, really great. I'm newfound love. So just stopped to get some fuel, some water, have a convenient break, and get a drink. A couple of drinks to keep me going for the last 170 kilometers. All right, I'll check in with you in Tak. See you then. I have to say, just driving on the river here in Tak, and my hotel's just across the road, but I had to get this sunset in because I've never seen anything more gorgeous in my life. And the moon is up as well. If you can see it just up there. There it is. And this beautiful illuminated bridge downstream. Oh my God, look at the colour. There's purples, pinks, deep red, scarlets, blues obviously, but that is absolutely stunning. Woohoo, welcome to Tak. Okay, I made it to Tak. I got to the hotel around about 6:30, so it was quite a drive, but I stopped a few times to make some content, as you see in the video. But again, I think we did about 425 kilometers. Now, a lot of the driving, once I left home from Nonthaburi, it's just like flat, it's just truck after truck after truck, so the scenery wasn't that great, so I didn't record a lot of the journey, and the bits that I did, I'll attach them on here, so it'll be like a little segmentation as I get up to the top half of the journey. But on arrival, I was greeted with a most amazing sunset. I put a picture in there just so you can see, or maybe I think I took a video clip down on the riverfront, and the colours were just amazing. So it's quite a greeting for me from this little Thai town that I've never been to before. The hotel is right on the river, and there's a pedestrian bridge. Let's have a look. Yeah, so it's the River Ping. And this is quite a little busy strip, and I'll show you tomorrow morning when I get up for breakfast what it's like outside. So if you're coming up this far, it's definitely worth it. Price for the hotel, I paid 1,000 baht, or you can pay 1,200 baht if you want breakfast. Now, I've not opted for that, and they said that if I want to change my mind in the morning and it starts at 6 o'clock, then I can just go down and book it at the reception. But I don't normally eat till late, so I'll see how I feel in the morning, because I'm going to go out and get some dinner in a minute. Maybe a nice crispy pork pad kapow. But yeah, the journey, it was my first big ride. So literally, I think on the road about 6.5, 7 hours. I didn't cane it. I took my time with it, because obviously getting used to the bike. I've had it 3 months. I've never done a big journey like this before, so but it handled it well. Yeah, towards the end of the ride, because I'd never sat on the bike so long, my butt was getting a bit kind of tired. My legs, my back, my neck, my wrist was giving me jip on the way up here. You know, with the throttle, etc. So maybe next bike will be an auto. Good thing is there's a Thai spa downstairs, so you can go and get a Thai massage. And they said it's 200 baht, which is quite cheap compared to what I pay in Nonthaburi, which is about 250, 300, sometimes even more, for 1,000 baht. Pretty good, pretty decent. And I'm in a corner suite.